Enjoyed that, Shannon. Thank you for being a match. And sweet dreams to all of you. And Dane, thank you. I hope this has been good, and I hope that you keep me and the rest of the listeners in your thoughts as you're falling asleep later tonight. And we'll be thinking of you on your little feather pillow.
Absolutely. Can I just say to my beautiful wife, Melanie, I love you, Angel Behead.
Is that because you worried that maybe you've mentioned P-head too many times and you needed to? Yeah, I thought so. Have a great day, Dane.
Thank you. All the best for the future, Greg.
Thank you very much.
Japanese game shows where they give people money to do stuff.
Like it's really like cringe to watch, isn't it?
You know, what's the Korean thing? Anyway,
it's horrible things that they're doing.
But this one was just a whitewash room, tiled room, nothing in it. All you do is get fed. For £1 billion, could you live in it for a year?
A year?
And I thought of Michael up there in the attic, and I thought, I wonder what kind of stimuli he gets. £1 billion, you get fed and watered, but you've got nothing to do for a year. It's an interesting one, because it's a lot of money.
Have you got a bed in there?